Here we are at Old Stone Fort. The very first stop is the prehistoric stone platform up here and the beautiful falls below. We'll get down there to get them closer in just a few moments. One of many falls at Old Stone Fort. So grateful for the rain that we just had because it fills it up. Beautiful. This is the actual stone fort. Take you inside. There's the way out. Coming out of Old Stone Fort. Go down there with them, Phyllis. This whole trail is just beautiful. Quite rugged, but beautiful. These girls are just so adventurous. They go all over the place. There's Mountain Goat. There's Cookie Mama. Nice rest spot. We love logs to cross. That was Cookie Mama. Here's Smokey. Here's Mountain Goat. Uh-huh.
Mountain Goat.
Backbone Ridge. We just finished the hard part. The man at the desk said that the red trail would be more strenuous than the rest, and he was right. But now we're coming into some easy parts. Takes us a long time to do a trail because we spend a lot of time taking photos. That's just what we do. Isn't this great? This is great. This is on the Moat Trail at Old Stone Fort. I don't think we have to ford the river right here, since we'll be going back up a pretty steep incline. It's just beautiful all the way down.
I'm trying not to, but
You're almost. Got it.
Yay! All right, Smokey! This is so great. I'm so glad I'm an adventurer. It only takes one slight bit of encouragement and we've got Mountain Goat going all the way over to the falls and back. This has been a great waterfall chasing day. Oh, we've had such a great time. The weather has been beautiful. The waterfalls have been beyond beautiful. The camaraderie between the four of us has been great too. Can't wait till the next time. Hope y'all have a good day.